Meet the JBL EasySing Mic Mini and EasySing Mic Mini Duo, AI-powered microphones with real-time vocal removal that fits in your pocket. Use it for singing, speech, or recording. Let's see how to set up and use your microphone. Before you start, check your JBL app to see if your listening device has the latest software version. When you open the box, you'll find the charging case. Inside is the EasySing Mic Mini, an AI wireless dongle, and a magnetic clip. In the box, you will also find a magnetic handle, a carrying pouch, and the quick start guide. Before setting up your EasySing Mic Mini, make sure it is charged before the first use and that your device or speaker is compatible. Use your JBL app to make sure your speaker is updated with the latest software. To get started, remove the dongle and microphone from the charging case. They power on automatically. To connect to a mini or compact portable speaker, press and hold the play button while you plug in the wireless dongle. You will hear a confirmation sound. Now connect to the Mic Mini and play your favorite tune. To connect with a medium or large portable speaker, press and hold the play button while you plug in the wireless dongle. You will hear a confirmation sound. Now you can make a Bluetooth connection with your speaker and you are ready to go. To connect with a party box with USB-C port, you only need to connect your Bluetooth to the party box and plug in the dongle. You won't hear a confirmation sound. To connect to party boxes that don't have a USB-C port, connect your phone's Bluetooth directly to the microphone, and with an aux cable, connect the dongle to the party box's daisy chain in port. You can also use your EasySing Mic Mini for podcast recording, live streaming, or singing practice. Connect directly to a phone or PC by plugging the dongle in the USB-C port and changing your output device to the EasySing Mic Mini. You can also connect to headphones with an audio input. To do so, connect the EasySing Mic Mini via Bluetooth, then connect your headphones to the dongle with an aux cable. When the connection is complete, you are ready to go. Clip the mic to your shirt, hold it in your hand or with the handle while you perform or record. Or, with the EasySing Mic Mini Duo, you can use two microphones at the same time. Your microphone is easy to control. Press the AI vocal removal button to adjust the vocal track levels. Press once for a clean backing track, once more for a light guide, another time for stronger support, and once more to keep the original song. Turn the button to adjust your own microphone volume levels. Download the JBL One app to unlock more features. Adjust vocal settings such as the mic volume, EQ settings, presets, and the bass, treble, and echo levels. When you're done, place the mic and dongle back into the case. They turn off automatically. Connect a USB-C cable to start charging. A full charge takes 3 hours and gives you up to 6 hours of use. And that's it. Your JBL EasySing Mic Mini is ready whenever inspiration strikes. Just connect, sing, and let your voice lead.